In this evening's health report, a medical expert is reiterating the need for persons to avoid flood waters. Here's Shamela Pullen.
Family physician Dr. Alveston Bailey says flood waters contaminated with sewage oftentimes carry a range of viruses, bacteria and parasites.
We have many bacteria such as E. coli, Shigella, we have leptospirosis, we have typhoid, and we have another one called salmonella. And these are potent pathogens that one must be aware might be in the water. And then we have viruses. And many of these viruses actually come from feces, such as hepatitis A virus, hepatitis E virus, and another one called norovirus. And these are coming from feces. And of course, we have many parasites that might also be present, such as hookworm.
Dr. Bailey says if you expose yourself by drinking, wading, or splashing in the contaminated water, you're likely to get sick.
You might experience severe abdominal cramps and diarrhea. You might start to experience fever. You might have muscle ache. You might have earaches if the water gets into your ears. If you develop a condition called Shigella or dysentery, you might pass blood in the stool. If you're exposed to hepatitis A or hepatitis E, you might notice that your eyes become yellow and you have severe aches and pains. If you're exposed to the fungi that might be present in the water, you might get itchy skin and you might also end up with itching between the groin area.
Persons experiencing symptoms after coming in contact with floodwaters are asked to seek medical attention as soon as possible. Meanwhile, Dr. Bailey has this advice to persons.
So you should arm yourselves with appropriate water boots. You should arm yourself with appropriate clothing, such as impervious raincoats. And you should also arm yourself with goggles to prevent the floodwater from getting into your eyes. Most importantly, you must not wade in floodwaters with appropriate protective equipment. Definitely don't swim or drink the water.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.